Let's be honest, working smarter beats working harder. Today, I'm showing you 5 free AI tools that save me hours every single week. No subscription, no fluff, just real productivity magic. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Emails, brainstorming, blog drafts, even coding help. This one's a creative sidekick in your pocket. Tool number 2, Notion AI. Got messy notes? It turns them into clean summaries and action plans. I use it for planning my videos and structuring my day. Tool number 3, Gamma.app. Write one sentence, and boom, it designs a slide deck. Great for school, work, or pitching new ideas. Tool number 4, Tome. It builds beautiful web-based documents and presentations instantly. Perfect for project overviews or smart resumes. Tool number 5, Durable. I typed in a business name, and in 30 seconds, it built me a full website. That still blows my mind. So how much time did I actually save? Easily 5 hours a week, if not more. Less typing, less formatting, and way more creating. These tools don't just help me hustle harder. They help me hustle smarter. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI hacks that make your time go further. Next week, we'll use AI to generate YouTube thumbnails. Can a robot out-design a human? Let's find out.